Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to make auto-generate questions using Kneura. Okay? So all you have to do is to click here, test. Click the test button and then click create new assessment. And then type in the name of your type the name of your assignment. For example, Introduction to Data Structure. Then click continue. Okay, now all you have to do is to click the question button here and then select the auto-generate question. Okay, so you have here your AI question generator. An AI question generator, the capacity of AI question generator is only 500 words. Okay, so may limit siya hanggang 500 words lang. So if you want to generate again, you have to click again the auto-generate question. Kung meron pa kayo uling gagawin tanong. Okay? So, all you have to do is to copy and paste. Okay? So, naka-ready na yung sa akin. So, all you have to do is to copy and paste it here. And then, click the generate question. Then, wait. Ayan. So, kailangan natin maghintay in order to generate question. And then voila. So you have here a generate question. So nagkaroon siya ng 12 question. Kapag generate siya ng 12 questions, all you have to do is to read the question. So you have to check. Kung tayo baka mamaya mali yung ibinigay. So we have to check. No? So I need only 5 questions. Okay, so paano mag-select? All you have to do is to click. So example, this question, I want this question. No, I don't like that. Okay, I want this question. And what is abstract? This one. So how many na? So I have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So 2 more. Okay. This one. And I don't like that. This one. Okay, then click the add questions. Yan. So, ayan na siya. Nalagay na siya sa ating questions. So, all you have to do now is to put a wrong choice. Wrong choices. For example, lagay natin dito, data structure. Integer. So, yung naka-highlight, yung naka-blue, yan yung tamang sagot. Yan yung tamang sagot. So, gagawin na lang natin, you have to edit. And then, pag okay na siya, pwede natin siya i-publish. If you want to check the preview, you can click the preview kung ano itsura sa ating estudyante. Okay? So, that's it. So, that is how to generate questions, auto-generate questions using Kneura. Okay, bye!